English gerunds and infinitives. There are 20 questions, 10 seconds each. Try them all. Let's begin. I have finished. Come and eat. To cook, be cook, see cooking. We hope, US a next mouth. To visit, be visiting, see visit. I don't want, yet. A leaving, be to leave, see leave. They plan, college in the autumn. To start, be starting, see start. She avoided, him about her plan. Telling, be to tell, see tell. He enjoys, bath in the evening. Have, be having, see to have. I promise, you tomorrow. Help, be helping, see to help. In our next class, we are going to discuss paragraphs. Writing, be to write, see write. She helped me, my suitcases. To carry, be carrying, see carry. I am learning English. Speak, be to speak, see speaking. If you have heart problems, you should quit salty foods. Eating, be to eat, see eat. We should avoid a big car. Gasoline is too expensive. Buying, be to buy, see buy. I would like to the party with you. Coming, be to come, see come. Vanessa goes every morning with her daughter. Swimming, be to swim, see swim. My neighbor agreed me move into my new apartment. Helping, be help, see to help. You should practice Spanish every day if you want to become fluent. Speak, be to speak, see speaking. Yuri wants his friend in Seoul next fall. A visit, be visiting, see to visit. Is easier when we feel safe. A helping, be helped, see to help. Do you enjoy soccer? To play, be playing, see play. Question, I hope. To Australia someday. To go, be going, see go. Please comment this answer. Comment your total score. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.